Just cool one, just stand here. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are off to Woodbury Commons today, which I haven't been to for a very long time. I used to go there all the time when I came to New York, but I haven't been there for a really long time, as I haven't been to New York for a really long time. So yeah, we're going to go there today and do a bit of shopping at the outlet. Yeah, see what it's like, what other shops they have that they maybe didn't have years ago. We're just on the way now to Port Authority to get a bus there. So yeah, it'll be fun and to do a bit of shopping. So we are here now at Woodbury. Here is all the shops. Yeah, so we're going to have a look. Might go to Bottega first, which I think is back there. And yeah, have a look round. This gold Alexa is cute in Mulberry. How much is that? I don't think they used to have Mulberry here. It's $1,400. I don't know if that's a good price or not. I can't tell. Additional 30% off certain styles. This scarf is cute. It goes with my bag. Nice. The colours match. You know? Some shoes and Bottega. I like these ones. Some shoes and more bags. These ones. I love these boots. I want to try those on. I like the colour with the brown at the back. I like the greeny brown. I think this is a camping or something colour. Don't know. These boots. I wanted to get these ages ago, but yes. What size these are? So here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Hermes 2424 bag with my Vert Cypress Rodeo and this suede jacket from Zara and my Adidas shoes. So yeah, I definitely think the Bottega outlet here is better than the one at Bicester. It's got a lot of stuff in it, as you can see. A lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to try those boots on, I think, because I really like them. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. So this is how they look. Quite like them. But yeah, maybe I'll try the bigger ones and they might not be so tight at the top. You know? Quite like them there. So here is the Balenciaga store. I think the old one was like here. I'm pretty sure it used to be here, but now it's here. So I go in here. Quite nice. These. I've got this belt already. Okay, so here's Saks off Fifth, and then this here, this store is where the Chanel outlet used to be, which I did actually go to back in like 2008 when it was here, but now it's not there, they haven't got it anymore. So yeah, I'm just going to keep looking around. Might go to Fendi, which is over here. It's a dog bed. How crazy is that? So here's Celine. I'm going to have a look in here now. Thank you. I like this colour.
And I still have the accent.
I think it's quite good price, right?
Oh, from the UK? Oh, I love that.
Yes. Love it. It's cool. So here is the cosmetic company store. I came here back in 2008. I'll see if I can find the video clip of me coming in here because I'm pretty sure I have it somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna go in there again now and see what it's like. So here's the CCO right here, and we're just gonna go in right now. I used to rattle through all of these, all the lipsticks, looking for the old collections, you know? Looks good, isn't it? Dior. Fun. You know, bag. The basket bag is quite nice. What do you think? Here's Prada. So we're just having a bite to eat now in Shake Shack. This is my milkshake, which looks really good. So yeah, the shopping's going quite good. I'm gonna have my drink. Yes, this definitely wasn't here the last time I was here. But yeah, there's not many food options, which is the only thing. So just gonna eat this now. Lanvin outlet. Have a look in here. Don't like these shoes. Little belt is quite cute. You know? So they have got a Margiela outlet here now, which they definitely didn't used to have when I came years ago. Tabby wellies. I'm not sure, Chanel ones. Oh, they've got some here. Look, they're quite nice. The brown tabbies, these ones. So I'm back from Woodbury Common, and I thought I would show you what I got while I was there. So yes, I've got what is in this ginormous Bottega Venta bag, which I will show you. Just move it down so I can actually get it out. So this is the box, ginormous green box. Let's just move this out of the way. So yeah, I got this pair of shoes which I showed you in the video, which I really loved. I actually saw these shoes a while ago and I really wanted them, and I was really surprised that they had them. at the outlet. So yeah, they are these boots, which are like from Daniel Lee when he was at Bottega. But yeah, they were $1,450 US, reduced to $719. Yeah. So yeah, and they're called the tire boot. So yeah, they're like black, and then they're like green at the bottom, kind of. Yeah, like I think it's like a dark sort of military green. So yeah, I got those. I think they're really cool. I saw them a while ago, but I couldn't find. I never tried this color on in like real life. They had like another pair that was like brown that I tried on a while ago when I went to Vegas, but these were the ones I'd seen online. I'd seen them on like My Teresa, I think, and I really liked them, and then they had them at outlet. So yeah, I think they're a really good deal, really good price, and they're really, really cool. Yeah, they're just black leather with these green rubber soles, and then there's like elastic, sort of like a Chelsea boot. Yeah, really cool, like really tall as well. So yeah, I was really happy to get those. In the UK, I think they were about £1,100. So like similar price, I guess, I don't know, converted. But yeah, they were definitely cheaper. Like they were about half price of that price, I think. When you converted whatever, like $719. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with them. Yeah, I thought Woodbury Commons was actually, it was interesting because I haven't been there for like so many years. I used to go there a lot. And, you know, I think obviously in the UK we have Vista Village, which is very similar. And I think over the years, Vista Village has kind of improved a lot. Like years ago when I went to Woodbury, like Vista Village wasn't as good. Now I think they're kind of similar, but I still think Woodbury is probably better than Vista Village. Because the shops are bigger, some of the shops are bigger, like the Balenciaga is bigger, the Bottega has way more stock and it's much bigger. Yeah, Fendi's bigger, Celine's bigger. Yeah, I was quite tempted by the Celine, I think it was called the box bag, but I'm not sure. I don't think that was the official name, but that's what people called it. And they had so many colors, and they had the black as well, and they had a green one, and they even had like a crocodile ones, and I was really tempted by them because I always did like that bag. And it's kind of like a similar style to the Hermes Constance bag, which I do like as well. But yeah, I don't know, I didn't get it. It was still like 2,000 something, $700 or something. Reduced from like 4,000, so it was like a good price. I think $4,500 it was. So it was still a good price. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like, you know, that obviously it's from the Phoebe Philo era. So it is a bit of a sort of dated style now, but I did always like it. I would definitely still recommend going to Woodbury. It was actually really easy to get the coach or the bus out there. It only took like an hour to get there. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. You know, they have a lot of other shops there that aren't just like the top end designer stores. But yeah, it's a fun day out if you're in New York. So yeah, it was fun to go back there again because I always loved going there. And yeah. But yeah, I think now that we have Vista in the UK, I mean, we always had Vista, but it's just slowly over the years got better and better, and now it's similar to Woodbury. Some stores I don't think were as good as Vista Village. Like the stores that weren't as good as Vista Village were Dior and Prada. At Prada/Miu Miu, because they're like the same store. Yeah, I didn't think those stores were as good as they are at Vista Village. I didn't actually go into Gucci because I couldn't really be bothered, and I'd never see anything I like in Gucci. So yeah, So some stores are better, like Bottega and Balenciaga maybe were bigger. But I mean, I don't like anything in Balenciaga. It's such a shame because I used to go to the outlet there, and it's like when Guesquier was still designing, and it was just amazing. But yeah, it's not the same. Even the outlet stuff was just like, well, who cares? So yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna get some dinner now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little shopping. Come shopping with me. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you in my next one.